Myself, V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about problems on combinations. In this session also, we shall discuss the problems on combinations. From a class of 9 boys and 7 girls, 12 students are to be chosen for a competition which includes at least 6 boys and at least 4 girls. In how many ways can this be done if a particular boy is always chosen? Solution. There are 9 boys and 7 girls. We have to choose 12 students for a competition which includes at least 6 boys and at least 4 girls. So, in how many ways can this be done if a particular boy is always chosen? So, now we have to choose from 8 boys and 7 girls. So, at least 5 boys we have to choose. So, if we choose 5 boys, then the girls you have to choose is 6. So, number of ways is 8C5 into 7C6. So, next option is if we choose 6 boys, then we have to select 5 girls because the total number of students to be selected now becomes 11. So, we have to choose 5 girls. So, this can be done in 8C6 into 7C5 ways. Now, if we select 7 boys, then we have to select 4 girls, and this can be done in 8C7 into 7C4 ways. We can't select 8 boys because if we select 8 boys, then we have to select 3 girls, but the condition is there that we have to select at least 4 girls. Therefore, that option we should not choose. Therefore, only 3 options are there. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 8C5 into 7C6 plus 8C6 into 7C5 plus 8C7 into 7C4. So, that will be equal to 8C5 can be written as 8C3 by using the property NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So, here 8C5 will be equal to 8C 8 minus 5, which is 3. into 7C6 can be written as 7C1 plus 8C6 can be written as 8C2 plus 8C7 can be written as 8C1 into 7C4 can be written as 7C3. Total number of ways is equal to 8C3 can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 7C1 is nothing but 7 plus 8C2 can be written as 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1 into 7C2. So 7C2 can be written as 7 into 6 by 2 into 1 plus 8C1 is nothing but 8 into 7C3 can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So that will be equal to 3 2s are 6 and this 6 will get cancelled. 8 7s are 56 into 7 plus 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 7s are 28 into 2 1s are 2 3s are 7 3s are 21 plus 8 into 3 2s are 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 7 into 5 is 35. So that will be equal to 56 into 7 is 392 plus 28 into 21 is 588 plus 8 into 35 equals 280. So that will be equal to 1260. That completes this problem. A box contains 5 red, 4 black and 3 white balls. How many selections of 8 balls can be made if the selection contains first sub question exactly 4 red, 2 black and 2 white balls. Second sub question, at least 3 red, at least 3 black and at least 1 white ball. Solution. A box contains 5 red, 5 red and 4 black. So black 4 and 3 white balls. So it is white is 3. Number of ways. How many selections of 8 balls can be made? So we have to select. So number of selections is equal to 8. So in the first case, exactly 4 red should be there and 2 black and 2 white ball should be there. So we have to find the total number of selections. So the red ball can be selected in 5C 4 ways and number of black balls can be selected in 4C 2 ways and number of white balls selected is 3C 2 ways. The number of ways is 5C 4 into 4C 2 into 3C 2. Therefore, number of ways will be equal to 5C 4 into 4C 2 into 3C 2. So that will be equal to 5C 4 can be written as 5C 1 by using the formula NCR is equal to NC N minus R. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 5C 1 into 4C 2 into 3C 2 can be written as 3C 1. 3 minus 2 is 1 by using the same formula. So that will be equal to 5C 1 is 5 because NC 1 will be equal to N into 4C 2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 3C 1 is 3 because NC 1 equals N. So that will be equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 5 into 2 3s are 6 into 3. 5 6 are 30, 30 into 3 90. So next case, at least 3 red, at least 3 black and at least 1 white ball should be selected. At least 3 red means we shall consider 3 and at least 3 black means we have to consider 3. So 3 plus 3 6. So total we have to select 8. Therefore we have to consider 2 white balls. Therefore the number of ways is 5C3 into 4C3 into 3C2, that is 5C3 into 4C3 into 3C2. So next case, you may choose 4 red balls and black balls we can select 3 and white ball you can select 1. So the number of ways is 5C4 into 4C3 into 3C1, that is 5C4 into 4C3 into 3C1. So next choice is we can select 3 red and 4 black and 1 white. Therefore the number of ways is 5C3 into 4C4 into 3C1. So all the cases we have taken. Therefore total number of ways is equal to 5C3 into 4C3 into 3C2 plus 5C4 into 4C3 into 3C1 plus 5C3 into 4C4 into 3C1. So, that will be equal to 5C3 can be written as 5C2 by using the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus R, that is 5 minus 3 we get 2. 4C3 we can write it as 4C1. 3C2 can be written as 3C1 plus 5C4 can be written as 5C1 into 4C3 is 4C1 into 3C1 plus 5C3 can be written as 5C2 into 4C4 you can written as 4C0 into 3C1 you can write it as 3C1. So, that will be equal to 5C2 is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2 into 1 into 4C1 is 4, 3C1 is 3 plus 5C1 is 5 into 4C1 is 4 into 3C1 is 3 plus 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 4C0 is 1, 3C1 is 3. So, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, 5 2s are 10, 10 into 4 40, 40 into 3 120, that is 120 plus 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60 plus 2 1s are 2 2s are, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So, that will be equal to 120 plus 60 is 180, 180 plus 30 is 210. That completes this problem. An examination paper consists of 12 questions. Divided into parts A and B. Contains 7 questions in part A and B contains 5 questions. A candidate is required to answer 8 questions, selecting at least 3 from each part. In how many ways can the candidate select the questions? Solution. An examination paper consists of 12 questions divided into parts A and B. which contains 7 questions in part A and B contains 5 questions. A candidate is required to answer 8 questions. So, number of questions to be answered equals 8. Selecting at least 3 from each part. So, now part A is there and part B is there. So, part A has 7 questions and part B contains 5 questions. So, we have to select at least 3 from each part. So, let us consider the first case, that is at least 3 means we assume that 3 questions have been selected from A and part B then we have to select 5 questions because 3 plus 5 8. So, next is number of ways. So, this can be selected in 7C3 into 5C5. Next case is if 4 questions are selected from part A, then naturally 4 questions should be selected from part B. Then the number of ways is 7C4 into 5C4. Next, suppose if 5 questions are selected from part A, then 3 questions should be selected from part B because 5 plus 3 we get 8. Therefore, number of ways we get is 7C5 into 5C3. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 7C3 into 5C5 plus 7C4 into 5C4 plus 7C5 into 5C3. That will be equal to 7C3 is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 divide by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5C5 is 1 because NCN is equal to 1 plus 7C4 is nothing but 7C3 into 5C4 is nothing but 5C1 plus 7C5 is 7C2 into 5C3 is nothing but 5C2. So, this will be equal to 3 2s are 6 and 6 will get cancelled, 7 5s are 35 into 1 plus 7C3 is 35. So, 7C3 is 35 into 5C1 is 5 plus 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2 into 1 into 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. So, that will be equal to 35 plus. So, 35 5s are 175 plus 2 1s are 2 3s are 7 3s are 21 into 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 2s are 10. So, that will be equal to 35 plus 175 plus 21 into 10 210. So, that will be equal to, so 75 plus 35 is 210, 210 plus 210 will be 420. That completes this problem. A man has 10 relatives. Four of them all ladies, 3 gentlemen and 3 children. In how many ways can he invite 7 relatives to a dinner party so that there are exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen and 2 children. Second one, there are exactly 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. And third one, there are exactly 3 children, at least 1 lady and at least 2 gentlemen. A man has 10 relatives, 4 of them all ladies, 3 gentlemen and 3 children. Solution: ladies 4, gentlemen 3, children 3. Children 3. And number of ways. In how many ways can he invite 7 relatives? Number of selections is 7. So he has to invite 7 relatives to a dinner party, so that the first case there are exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen and 2 children So number of ways we get is 4C2 into 3C3 into 3C2. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 4C2 into 3C3 into 3C2. So that will be equal to 4C2 into 3C3 is 1 into 3C2 is nothing but 3C1. That will be equal to 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 1 into 3C1 is 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. 6 into 1 6. 6 into 3 18. So total number of ways equals 18. So next second one, there are exactly 2 gentlemen, that is 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. So there should be at least 3 ladies. So since we have to select 7 relatives, so 3 plus 2 is 5, therefore we have to select 2 children. Number of ways is 4C3 into 3C2 into 3C2. Next case, here we have to select exactly 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. So we can select 4 ladies also. So 4 plus 2, 6, but we have to select 7 relatives. So therefore we have to select 1 child. So now number of ways we get is 4C4 into 3C2 into 3C1. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 4C3 into 3C2 into 3C2 plus 4C4 into 3C2 into 3C1. So that will be equal to 4C3 is nothing but 4C1, 3C2 is nothing but 3C1 into 3C2 is nothing but 3C1 plus 4C4 is 1 into 3C2 is 3C1 into 3C1. So this will be equal to 4C1 is 4 into 3C1 is 3 into 3C1 is 3 plus 1 into 3C1 is 3 into 3C1 is 3. So that will be equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 plus 3 3s are 9. So that will be equal to 45. Next, third one. There are exactly 3 children and at least 1 lady should be there and at least 2 gentlemen. That is, let us consider 2 ladies and 2 gentlemen, because 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7 and number of ways is 4C2 into 3C2 into 3C3. Here the number of children are fixed 3. So you can select the gentleman 3 and ladies 1. That is also one of the possibility. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7. So this can be selected in 4C1 into 3C3 into 3C3. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to 4C2 into 3C2 into 3C3 plus 4C1 into 3C3 into 3C3. So that will be equal to 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 3C2 is nothing but 3C1 into 3C3 is 1 because NCN will be always equal to 1 plus 4C1 is 4, 3C3 is 1, 3C3 is 1. 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equal to 2 3s are 6. 3C1 is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 into 1. So that will be equal to 6 3s are 18 plus 4 1s are 4. 18 plus 4, 22. That completes this problem. Okay, thank you.